Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Visit. Welcome back to the channel. This is the channel where tech is not everything, it's the only way. Alright, so here what's up. So I ordered the iPhone 15 Pro Max and I just got it. So we doing an unboxing. I know it's been waiting a long time. The whole dilemma of my iPhone, it's crazy. I'm not even going to talk about it, but today we'll be unboxing the iPhone 15 Pro Max. And to be honest, it's not really an experience no more, but we have a sponsor today. So the sponsor of this video is Zero Wireless. I've been using their product over a year now, and you know, it's a pleasure to collaborate with them. They sent us out a whole lot of case to look at for your iPhone 15 Pro Max. Without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this sucker. I got the 1 terabyte model. The reason being why I get the 1 terabyte model is for the log capability that it does. It now records and log, and that's one of the main reasons why I get it, because I'm a content creator. It's hard to speak for anyone else, but also I'm what you call an average consumer as well. So I'm glad I have something in my pocket. just like that. We just finished the unboxing, but yo, all right, let's put the phone. I'm currently using the iPhone 14 Pro Max, so yeah, that nice braided USB Type C. I feel like I'm unboxing an Android. It has Type C, man. It feels different. All right, so let's go ahead and let's take this off. There we go. Okay, that's it. But yo, ooh, this natural titanium is nice. It's nice. I like it. It's nice. I think I had the deep purple. I didn't know much more than that. That's it. And so for the for my 14 Pro Max, I have the deep purple, and this is the natural titanium. Yo, I'm a titanium freak. I love titanium. Even my flashlight down to my knives are titanium. But yeah, I'm digging this. I know they say it's a little lighter, but I really don't feel no difference. It's the same old. But I do appreciate the titanium, and I do got the 1 terabyte because, like I said, I'm a content creator. I'm a chef, photographer, videographer, and it's great to have something that shoot log, like a cell phone, shoot log, ProRes 10-bit 422 log. I'm all about the log, so I'm happy for that, mostly because this and the fact that it has USB Type C, because before using Lightning to transfer, because before I shoot in ProRes like 422 or HQ, whatever ProRes, the 14 offer, that's what I shoot in. But the fact that I shoot in log, I can grade it. Like this right now is shooting log, and I just grade it for it to look way better. More dynamic range, more to work with. That's what I'm definitely all about. I'm a chef. I want that close-up shot on my food. I have a lot of accessory that I got to pair with this, but aside, let me set this up while it waits. Let's wait. Our sponsor for this video is Zero Wireless. They did send us out a whole lot of cases for us to try for our iPhone, and bam, let's drop it right there. Boom. Before I dove into that as well, Zero also has sent out this is their new technology. This is their new MagSafe cooling car mount. They call this one the SuVolt Gen 4. So I'm excited to try this out, because the one that I'm using is currently from Belkin, and that thing keeps falling out every time I run over a speed bump. So I'm excited to try this out too, and also I'll make a video dedicated to this because I'm excited for this as well. But today we're here for the cases. They sent us out 3 cases. This is the last gen that I had. Let me see if I can get closer. This one barely has any yellow tint, and I've been using this for a whole year. It looks good. It looks really good still. I can pass this over to somebody else for their 14. So they sent us out some new cases for the 15. I have these. I was just waiting on the iPhone. So let's okay. Ooh, this one is nice. This one has that that nice grip on the sides. You see right here, this is rubber. It does, yeah, this is rubber, as you can see. Let's see for this one right here. Oh, it's my favorite. Oh, you got that smoke going on here. All right, so this case right here, it does have some ring. I think this is really nice to pair with your natural titanium. This one has that little kickstand right here. I'm pretty sure you can use it as a sort of a holder as well for it, but this nice little kickstand ring feels very springy. Ooh, man, let me go ahead and put the natural titanium. So I'm kind of sinking this one as my favorite case right now. Ooh, this is nice. Yeah, so all the products that I've shown you here, the link will be in the description if you want to go over to Zero Wireless and check out their products. They have a wide range of products. The tri-charger that I did, I have a video on my channel about the tri-charger. I really like that as well. I still use it, keep it here on my desk. Now we're going for the cases. I gotta say, this one probably is one of my favorites so far. I do like this, but I'm gonna hold reservation on this one for a little bit. So let's talk about this one right here. As you can see with the buttons right here has, what I'll say, the button, I don't know, it's not titanium, but it feels titanium. And it, has the little stainless steel ring around it for that kickstand, so you could just put it up right here just like that. Oh, boom, watch content. All right, so I actually like the smoke white. I'd say like a little smoky white, but we're gonna put it in. We're gonna try on this one right here as well. This one doesn't has the ring kickstand on it, but what it has though, it's the MagSafe. That's what's more important, to have that MagSafe on it. So this one has the rubber on it. Let me see. I mean, these are. Oh. Ooh. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, I think we have another one right here. Yo, these are all fire cases, and you even get that little paper protector on it. All right, I could dig this. Definitely dig this. Yeah, definitely. Ooh, I had that natural case on my older iPhone, so I never thought of go back on there and look, because once I get one case nowadays, like, I don't know if it's age or what, nowadays I just keep one cases, so that too. So they sent us out this so we could look at. This is actually good with that rubber, has the rubber edge on it. This is good for more protection of the edges. I always get Apple protection on my iPhone, so I'm not saying I'm reckless, but it's good to have an extra protection. But at this time and age, man, I'm all about aesthetics now. I don't know if it's age or what it is. Let's go for the other one right here. Oh, they sent out my favorite. This is my favorite, as you can see right here from the last one. It tint just a little bit 1 year, and it barely has that yellow on it. So these are really good, but now we have competition because these other cases are super dope. So I don't know if I'm gonna put the clear case down for a little bit, but yo, I want to show off that natural titanium. See right here, I know it's a little off, you might not see the whole thing, but yo, we got that natural titanium on now. Yeah, so it's damn, it's hard to pick which one is my favorite. Now they're all my favorites. Damn, shit. Might have to get my specialist on this to see which one they like. But for me, my ultimate one that I really like first, I'd say it's damn, man, I don't know. Shit, I like all three of them, but which one I rock mostly, I'd say this one. So we have a winner here. The smoke white, to me, looks just so good with that nice titanium looking rings on it. The buttons are metal. The ring around the camera is metal. It shows like 100% focus pixel. It has really cool aesthetic to this one. So I think I'll definitely go with this one because I'll rock this sometimes, but this is my most favorite out of the cases. I like how it feels. It's a little glossy, plastic, yet it feel like glass at the same time. I feel like plastic, so it's hard plastic. The fact that it has the ring on there, sometimes you really need that little stand just to set your phone on if you don't really want to hold the phone in your hand. So this is a great aesthetic to it. So definitely I'll put the links of the cases down below. If you really want me to do like more durable tests on these cases, I'll definitely can do that. Just leave me a comment and I'll do some tests on them. I'll give you feedbacks on them. I was gonna do a reel for this video, but I said nah, I gotta show off these cases because I really like them. When I saw the pictures of them, I liked them comparing to the older one that I got. It's really great quality for the price. Man, I only show off stuff that I only use. That's the thing. I only use stuff that I show off here is made. I bought it with my hands, or from the same company. The company will reach out and say, you want to collaborate? We see that you're a frequent customer, and that's how they send me out stuff because I really like the product. And I don't know, man. I'm a clear case man too, so rocking the clear case, it's disgusting. This is disgusting. This is too much. It's disgusting. Damn. This is this is my iPhone 15 Pro Max natural titanium unboxing. I try to make it fun because there's no more fun in unboxing iPhone no more. It's not an experience no more. It's more like, hey, I'm just checking out this product. But our sponsor Zero Wireless has sent us out these cases to try out on an iPhone. If you do like how they look, I'll probably do some B-roll somewhere so you can get a better look on these cases. But this is my favorite. I don't know what you pick. You tell me what your favorite is. But these are three really good cases. The quality feels good. I definitely know I'll be rocking this a lot more because of the different trims it got. Aesthetic wise, it's very pleasing. And this, I might use this when I'm in the field shooting with my phone and stuff. So that's it for our iPhone. I'm not even gonna turn this on. You already know what it is. That's all you hear. You just want to see what this dude got going on with his iPhone. So hey, this is my iPhone video. It's your boy Visit. Guess what? I'm gone.